Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe, TitBit Mango. I call this TitBit Mango because it is sun-dried mangoes which is tangy and sweet both. So this even you can take it while you're traveling. It won't take more space and you can have pieces of it when you really feel like having something tangy. Let's begin the recipe. I have peeled the skin of the mango. I have taken 1.5 cups of grated mango. To this, I'm adding a teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt to taste, a pinch of hing, and finely chopped coriander. Mix it well. You can taste and see according to your spice level. Here I have taken a tray. In that I have lined it with a parchment paper. A plastic sheet also will do. On this I am going to dry this up, put it for drying. You can just put the whole thing and spread it, and later when it dries you can cut it in a scissor and you can make it into small rounds. It's easy to take it. It need not be very thin. When it dries up, the moisture would have gone and it will become very thin. This is ready now to keep it in the hot sun. I have made one batch earlier which I have dried it in the sun for 2 days. This is how it looks dried up after 2 days. Since it is parchment paper, it's easy to peel it up. This is how it looks and it is full dry. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.